Hello, boys and girls. How are you guys today? You guys excited and we are ready to go. Yes, 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 yes. Hype up, hype up. We are ready. We are ready to go for another video today. It is July 28th. It is 5:45 p.m. in the afternoon in Aurora, Colorado, United States. And I appreciate your show, seeing my videos wherever you are in any part of the world. Appreciate your support. I'm getting support. I'm getting positive feedback for those videos. Appreciate it very, very much. Now, what is the seventh largest sea in size in the world? That was the last video's question, and it is Caribbean Sea, and they have beautiful, beautiful beaches and a huge tourist attraction. Okay, and we believe it's off the island of Florida, or the coast of Florida. Okay, and we have how many million is this? This is 1 million 062 939 miles. Miles. This how big it is. 1,062,939 miles, Caribbean Sea. This is the seventh sea, or after the oceans, actually, in size. Okay, and the next video's question is, what is the next one? What is the next? What is the next sea after the Caribbean Sea in size in the world? I will answer that in next video. Okay, now let's get to our lesson. This is very important equations. Okay, I'm getting the equations a little bit tougher now in order to um, learn more and more about equations. Okay, we have two equations with two unknowns. Two equations with two unknowns. This is a little harder than the other ones, but they are not harder, but they have more steps. Okay, now if we have two equations with two unknowns, for example, if we have y equal 5x, okay, and we have 2y plus 7x equal 14. Usually when we have two unknowns, which means y is an unknown and x is another unknown. So we have two unknowns, x and y. We need to find out how much is x and how much is y. It's, don't worry, it's not too hard. It's just we have to do more and more steps. Okay, that's it. Okay, now look at the equations. Y equal 5x and 2y plus 7x equal 14. Look at this very first one. Y equal 5x, right? Y equal 5x. Okay, what we do here is add them up. So we have y equal 5x, okay, and 2y plus 7x equal 14. Okay, let's add those two equations together. Okay, uh, don't worry, I'm gonna explain everything. Okay, so y, this y here, plus this here is what? Y equal y plus 2y plus 7x. So we add them up, right? We added them up already. So y plus 2y plus 7x. See, so we added the first left part of the equation to the left part of the second equation, right? Equal 5x plus 14 plus 14. This is our first step. 5x plus 14. Okay, that is the first step. Now, y plus 2y plus 7x is what? 3y. Y plus 2y is 3y, right? 3y. Okay. And the other side is 5x plus 14. So what we have here is this one, the same as these two, right? Okay, the same. We just readjusted them. Okay, now remember, we have y equal 5x. This is very key in solving this equation. Okay, so we have y equal 5x. So let's put this y equal 5x in this equation. So we will have all of them in x. So we will have all of them in one unknown. And that is the point. That is the point. So y equal 5x. Okay, so we plug in what is y, 5x over here. So the equation becomes 3 times 5, it's right here. 3 times 5x. What the heck is that? Well, 5x is y, right? So y equal 5x, so we put it in the original equation, which is right here. So 3 times 5x, 3 times y, 3 times 5x is the same as 3 times y, right? Because y equal 5x, right? Y equal 5x. Now, so let's go through this further. Okay, so we have 3 times 5x is 15x, right? 15x plus 7x in the original formula over here. See, over here. So this one becomes, this one here becomes this one here. Okay, because 3 times 5x, right? And then we add the rest of the equation to it. So we have 15x plus 7x equal 5x plus 14. And that is the point. That is the point because we want to make all the terms in one unknown, x. And then we find the value of x like we did before in previous videos. And then we plug in that value of x into the formula to find out y. But we will follow all of that in the next few minutes. Now, so 15x plus 7x is 20x equal 5x plus 14, right? We would just simplifying, right? Now, so 22x minus 5x. Well, before you do that, let's do let's say we have 5x here, right? Okay, how about in order to get rid of this 5x, okay, we subtract 5x from both sides. We subtract 5x from both sides, and then we have x only on the left side. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, so 20x minus 5x. Okay, we're subtracting 5x from both sides of the equation. Why 5x? Because see, we just have to be very precise, okay, and smart in order to get this 5x off here. So we just subtract 5x in order to cancel it, right? So, and that's how we get to find out this x on the left side. Okay, now, so subtracting 5x from both sides, what we have here, 22x minus 5x equal 5x here minus 5x plus 14. Okay, and what we have left here is 17x. 17x, right? 22x minus 5x, 22 apples minus 5 apples are 17 apples, right? 17 apples. So, and the right side is 5x minus 5x is actually 0, right? Because they cancel each other. So 0 plus 14, which is 14, right? Which is 14. 0 plus 14 is 14. And so what we have here is for 17x equal 14. Okay, okay. We divide 14 divided by 17, and we will have the value for x. Okay, or we can divide 17 here by 17, like here, like I did here. This is another way to do it. 17 by 17, x equal 14 by 17. Remember, we have to divide the same number on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, but to make it shorter, we just divide 14. That's how I do it. 14 by 17. Okay, because it does the same thing. Okay, so x equal 14 by 17. Now, we plug in this value of x, so we have done the value for x. So we just plug in the value of x in the first formula, which is y equal 5x. So y equal 5x, which means y equal 5 times 14, 17. This is times here. Okay, this is not x, this is times. Okay, so, and this is x, this is x, so y equal 5 times 14 over 17, which is 70 over 17, and that is your y. So we have x is 14 over 17 and y is 70 over 17. Okay, and then if we put in those values in the original formula, which is y equal 5x. Okay, so we put the value of y here and the value of x over here, and then we solve, we calculate, we solve for the formula. So if y is 70 over 17, which means what? If you actually divide it, it's 4 decimal point 11, and for the other side of the formula, 5 times x, okay, which is mean 5 times 14 over 17. Why? Because x is 14 over 17. So is this 4.11? Yes, it is 4.11 if you calculate it or if you do it over the calculator. So is y, which is 4.11, equal 4.11? Is y equal 5x? Yes, it's true. So our work is right. And that is your equation of two unknowns solution. Solution of two unknown equations. Okay? And I will see you next video. Thank you so much. You have a problem, go again over it again and again until you get it, because I know you guys can get it, and appreciate you very much. Thank you so much. Yes, 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 yes.